Topstep review. Is this trading platform worth it? If you've ever wanted to trade futures or forex but don't have the capital to risk, Topstep might sound like the perfect solution. But is it actually worth it? Let's take a closer look. So what is Topstep? Topstep is a prop trading platform that lets you prove your trading skills in a simulated account. If you pass their evaluation, called the Trading Combine, you get access to a funded account where you trade with Topstep's money and keep a share of the profits. It's built for traders who want to go professional without risking their own savings. Here's what Topstep offers: Trading Combine, a challenge that tests your consistency and risk management, access to funded accounts of up to $150,000, profit splits, you keep up to 90% of earnings, built in risk rules to encourage discipline, and educational resources and trading coaching. It's not just a platform, it's a way to prove you can trade responsibly. And now for its pros and cons. Here are the pros: trade with real funding without risking your own capital. Strong focus on risk management and discipline, and it includes coaching and resources for traders. However, the trading combine has monthly fees. Strict rules can be frustrating if you're more aggressive, and it only covers futures and forex, no stocks or crypto. So is Topstep worth it? If you're a disciplined futures or forex trader looking for capital, it can be a great opportunity. But if you're inconsistent or prefer stocks and crypto, it might not be the best fit. And that's been an honest review of Topstep.